Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude back with another video. So today we'll be taking a look at the Siats Meekerorum figure from the new Primal Attack lineup. This one came out after the Tarbosaurus and Sarcosuchus, and then following that we've got another Sarcosuchus repaint and the new Albertosaurus figure, making 5 in this Massive Biters lineup. So right off the bat, this is a very interesting species, something I did not think Mattel would put into the lineup, let alone consider, as it's such an obscure dinosaur. But it's really cool that they're starting to feature all these different species that don't relate to the franchise to kind of get them in there and get them out to the public, which is really nice, getting more exposure than they usually would, since this is such a large thing for the public. So on the back here we've got the Tarbosaurus and the Sarcosuchus, which you can also get. And then we've got the name in multiple different languages, and the action features as well. I think the colors on this figure are really stunning. Opposite on the color wheel we've got orange and then a dark blue, and then following the back of the figure we have this kind of greenish pale color. Another neat feature of this figure is it's got this tooth right here. Let's bring it forward. And it sticks out more than the rest and has a little slot that it goes into when the mouth is closed, giving it a very characteristic look. I do love how unique that is to the species, or not the species, but the figure alone, as well as these kind of quills sticking out the back of the neck and on the back. They're a little bit rubbery, they're not hard plastic, so you can move them around. And it has a green eye, which I think is very suiting for the colors on this figure. Kind of gives off a indominus rex vibe with those things. Oh, and the figure does have feet slots. Okay, I forgot about that. How are we gonna do this? Let's go in from the front. When I first saw this figure, I was the silhouette. I was expecting it to be like maybe Giganotosaurus or Carcharodontosaurus, and then when they did the name drop, I for one wasn't really in the know about this species. But now that it's come out and I looked it up, it's pretty neat that this figure's encouraging people to look into more obscure dinosaurs, and who knows what Mattel will come out with in the future now that they're doing more unique species rather than ones that are already out, though they are, still doing repaints and recasts and whatnot. So this figure has multiple stances and stands up pretty well in each pose. It also has posable arms on a ball joint. You can pose them out in 3 fingers, and the arms are rubbery. It does also have that characteristic kind of line down the side on the skin. It's got a very interesting kind of sculpt. You can see there's these very large scales, oval shape going down the length of the body on the sides, kind of like little armor plates, as well as along the back of the tail. And then there's a button at the base of the tail that controls the head action. You can rotate it, and you can chomp by pressing that button. And that's basically the whole lineup's gig for this one, the Massive Biters. And it actually has a pretty long head. You can't really, it's less prominent when the mouth is open, but when you close it, you can see it's got a kind of long snout compared to other theropods. 2 little eye crests on the top, which is cool, similar to Allosaurus. And the inside of the mouth is fully painted, which is really nice. The tongue's got paint, the top of the jaw has the same pink on it as well. And overall, this figure's a really nice sculpt, and I like how unique the dinosaur is compared to other figures. I definitely would recommend getting this. I know the figure's not too common as I've seen. This one's only out in the US, not from what I've seen in Canada or any other places, but I'm sure it's possibly out in Europe as well. So yeah, definitely a worthwhile figure, and oh yeah, scan code before I go. There you go, hopefully you guys got that. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, and I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.